interested in a SUV with third row seating, a rear entertainment system, and leather heated seats? Greg Griesbach here at the Woodys Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year, and you can learn why at over 10,000reviews.com. Now, as I said, we have this incredibly luxurious 2015 Chevy Traverse in all its glory. It's got that nice pearl white color with those halogen headlamps and fog lights just below. Wow. All that chrome, it's so incredible. You got a 3.6 liter V6 engine. We have these beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels with that 6-spoke design. Those are just gorgeous. And as we come over to these mirrors, you do have that little sensor on the side with these, and they are also heated and powered. And you also have keyless entry into the cabin. I want to take you on a tour of this incredibly luxurious, just look at this interior. You got these incredibly just these leather light brown seats. They're heated. They fit so comfortably. You can move the headrest back. It's perfect. Coming over the steering wheel, it's leather bound, and you got that cruise control right there, right at your fingertips, your Bluetooth streaming audio, and you have your media controls right there. Man. Coming over to your media center. Look at that baby. Ooh. It's a 7-inch touchscreen, which is just incredible. You got your DVD input right there. You got your AM, FM radio, your satellite radio. If you choose to subscribe to that, you have to subscribe. Remember that. And you got all your safety features. You got a backup camera. Safety first, guys. Don't want any accidents. Don't want little Johnny playing with his bike behind the car. And coming on down, we got this dual climate control unit. So you and your passengers can have that incredible, you might like it at 90 degrees. Your lovely wife might like it at 78 degrees. Do whatever you want. Here's your heated seat controls, all that good stuff. Your rear window wiper controls, that's incredible. You got your wood graining, your chrome trim, your stick right here. That's amazing. And coming over here, you got your center console. And that's just so much. You can move that back and you have all this room. You take that out. Got all that space, 12-volt DC adapter, just everything. And this will pop open. Throw your phone in there. I don't know, just everything. Coming up here, you got your home link, your universal garage door opener. You got OnStar right there in case you get in trouble on the side of the road or something. Hit that, boom. And you also have this incredible sunroof. Got a moonroof in the back. Just so much luxuriousness. It's really too much to comprehend, so I had to make this video. So let's make our way to the back. Now I know what you're thinking. Everything up front, just too much luxurious for you to comprehend, as I said before, and it really is. But until you get into the back seat, you won't know exactly what I'm feeling. So you got these captain seats right here, just like the front seat. Just so much, just so comfortable, getting on the road. And look at this. Look at this. You got a rear entertainment system for those youngins, and that's perfect. You got your climate controls there. You got a 120-volt, and you got 2 USB ports, AV gaming inputs, and a 12-volt DC adapter. You could use your hair dryer, plug in your phone, and just do it all simultaneously. Hold on a second. Okay. I had to pause. It's too much. All right, so coming into the third row, you got seating for 3 people. Look how much. You can fit 7 people total throughout the entire vehicle. Math, guys. 4 plus 3, 7. Jeez! Coming to the back, roof rack. You didn't think it could get any better. Well, it can. You got a rear spoiler, huh? All that chrome trim. You got a rear window wiper. You got a rear sensing system so you don't hit anybody, right? Reverse. Safety first, guys. Got those nice tail lights. Got that LT Traverse badging, all-wheel drive badging, and all that chrome and all its glory. So all in all, with this vehicle, it's so incredible because you have those leather heated seats, you have the rear entertainment system, you got the captain seats, you got the leather seats, you have everything. You got a backup camera, okay? So if you're as pumped about this vehicle as I am, you're going to come to Woodys and buy it as soon as possible because it's only going to be here for like a week tops, and then it's going to be gone. So you need to come down here as soon as you can So if you want to see this Traverse or any other SUVs, visit our website at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre megalot. I'm Gregory. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.